we have two wonderful guests. Actually, I can say IT Games. So basically, Vinay Kandala as well as Argya Paul. So I really welcome these two guests for live show. I'm really excited to have a discussion with them to discuss on the emerging markets, economy, stability of jobs, job stability, and everything. And Vinay have recently launched SQL Mastery, right? So he'll be sharing
Yes.
more details on that as well. And similarly, Argya has launched his job search mastery for all the people out there who are looking for jobs. So we'll be talking on that. Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Thank,
so Vinay, welcome to the show.
thank you
Can you
so
please
much.
introduce yourself?
Yeah. Thank you so much, Satish. It's
Yeah,
a privilege to be a part of this live session where we get a chance to
amazing.
interact with a lot of people. And basically, we want to empower a lot of people and give them some insights on the emerging IT trends so
Yes,
that it helps a lot of people to get into the IT industry and to gain all the benefits in the industry. So
right.
myself, I've been in IT industry for the past 12 years, and I'm currently I work. I'm working for MNCs, and my domain is Oracle applications. So since beginning, I'm into the development and testing of Oracle applications. Worked on the implementations and also on the support projects. So
Amazing.
predominantly worked for US, UK, and Middle East clients. So
Wow.
yeah,
Great.
So great to know, Vinay. In fact, I was thinking to call you for the live show, but that good time haven't come. But right now, it's a good time for us to discuss about emerging markets and the economy. It's the right time for us to discuss because of this Corona breakdown and all that. With regards to
correct, correct,
job stability, how people has to be prepared with regards to getting the jobs getting into corporates and all that. So,
correct.
hello, Dia. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for accepting the invitation.
Yeah,
Yeah, Arghya, why
thank you
don't you
so much,
introduce
Satish.
yourself, please? I think we got disconnected. 1 minute, please.
Willing to transform their career. I help multinational career changers and the young job seekers who is really wanting to get a position into the organizations in a great way to showcase their hidden talent. And I worked with them. And recently, at my recent times, I have worked more than 2,000 plus students and helped them to create and showcase and articulate their talent in such a way so that they can showcase their skills in such a way they can create their own product from their skill sets and get into any organizations, be it IT or any organizations. I don't want people who will be sitting in the organizations for 9 hours without doing anything. They have some passion, but they are not delivering those things. I have seen and experienced it in my life. I have been also part of prestigious product-based and services company throughout my last 5 years. I don't want people to sit in the cubicle for just in the tag of cubicle monkey. I want people to be productive. So I help them to create their own opportunity from their own skill sets. I recently launched, like you guys, course Job Search Mastery. And so it's great that we all collaborated here and going to produce an immense value and empower lives. Thank you so much, Satish and Vinay.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for the introduction. So, Vinay, let's start with a questionnaire. So,
Okay.
can you talk about the qualities of a
Okay.
leader? So, because everybody, for that matter, they are promoting in their roles, and one point of time they'll become a managers.
Correct.
So, what do you think is the best qualities as a leader?
Correct.
How the leader
Okay.
is supposed to be?
Okay. See, leadership is basically any person who claims himself a leader should possess one basic quality, that is, he should inspire with his work ethics.
Exactly.
Okay. Yeah, he should be a role model. People should admire him with the work ethics that he's showing, with the passion that he's showing at work, and the way he's helping out people. It's not
Absolutely.
about controlling people or dominating people.
Right.
Leader should lead with an example, in the sense, leader should always help people, mentor people, and help them grow. So when he helps others to grow, then obviously the team members would approach him. He should be approachable at the same time, and they will approach him and seek help from him. So such a person will obviously be called a leader, right? Whether it is IT
Right.
industry or any industry. So one should inculcate these kind of qualities to empower lives, to help people grow, uh, to impart that technical knowledge or functional knowledge to their team members, and help them become good professionals. So that,
Absolutely.
so
Absolutely
these are
correct.
the basic qualities. Yeah, these are the basic qualities that I see in a leader. He
Right.
should be able to create an impact in people, and he should be known for his mingling nature. Okay, his mingling nature. Sometimes he can be hard, and sometimes he can be soft. A mixture of this is required in order to get the work done.
Exactly.
So basically, with his talent, with his working nature, he should inspire people. So that is
Amazing.
basic
Absolutely
quality.
Absolutely.
correct.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And we
that's what
all
I
follow
see.
leaders, right? Great leaders are the example of the great team. If we can create a
Exactly.
great team, that means we have a great leader. Everybody will follow
Exactly.
the
Absolutely.
leader in
So
the
one
same way.
important point that you mentioned about Vinay is about standing as an example, right? So leaders should be guiding his fellow employees in terms of how they have to mold themselves as better individuals, and in terms of great work ethics, and also he
And
should put
regarding the recent markets, if you
themselves.
think about that, like many a times we are stuck at some place, we are not able to progress from that point
Yes,
because it might be the fault that you don't have the right leaders, right guidance, right mentorships. From there, you need to appreciate yourself. You need to learn something out of your comfort zones because comfort zones will make you handicap. Comfort zones will
yes,
not let you get ahead from that place. You will not get opportunities. Believe me, irrespective of any job you are doing, be it corporate, any jobs, you will not get opportunities easily. You need to create the door, you need to build the door, then only you will get the opportunities. Opportunities are the
right,
gift of God. Only when it's provided that you are taking initiative and actions, then only you can create opportunities. Like the way many people has created that opportunities, it's you who need to also create the opportunities. Then only massive results will come on your way. And start believing on yourself, appreciate yourself. Don't let
Absolutely.
every people to appreciate. People will come and appreciate heartily, but you have to self appreciate every day. After every day you are doing anything, appreciate, do and appreciate. That's something you need to do each and every day.
absolutely, absolutely. Appreciation,
Absolutely.
makes the other person to,
Exactly.
that's a great blessing, I can say. In fact, on one of the video, I even posted that. So appreciation is a great blessing from the God. It will not just be
So,
happening
Vinay, like if we
but
think about the pandemic situations in current situations,
yes,
like many people are getting work from home facilities and all, like many companies have started doing layoff and all those stuffs currently, and many people are still thinking about how they can protect themselves in these situations. So, from
right.
your
Correct.
perspective, so what could be the three measures or four measures that should people they absolutely include in their curriculum so that they can create an edge, create an positions over the other people, and they can effectively utilize this work from home and turn those pandemic situation into a great opportunities. Can you please highlight that same
Absolutely.
thing?
So with regards to work from home, we need to have a proper schedule. So we always tend to, come out of that schedule because we'll be having the household activities. Just that we are at home, we'll be little relaxed and all that. The only thing is we should be organized enough in terms of how we inculcate that kind of habits at the workplace. Same thing should be there at our home as well. So work at home is nothing but it's not just to chill out. You have to show that the seriousness at work, because managers obviously will be watching you. They'll be monitoring you in terms of your work ethics, your deliverables, whether you are tracking the progress of your projects. All those things, it should be properly documented. So all those things should be happening with regard, I mean, how you generally do the operations at office, you can do it from your home as well. And of course, being as a team player, that matters a lot. So because the connectivity when you're at office, you'll have a physical connectivity. But once you're working from home, you will be connecting remotely via tools and all that.
Correct.
So obviously, proper
Absolutely.
bandwidth and all that infrastructure also should be created to
Absolutely.
have a better atmosphere. So what do you
Absolutely.
say, Vinay, on that?
Yes, yes. I to add to these points, I would say, when we are particularly working from home, we should have a dedicated space, okay, which where we can, isolate ourselves, isolate our work, and shut the door, okay, so that little children or people at home do not come into the room always. So we should choose such a place and have a dedicated space for ourselves. And
Right.
as you said, the infrastructure, the internet connection, everything should be fine. And particularly when we are working from home, there are chances that we spend on work for many hours, and it has been researched that we end up doing a lot of work. We
Yes.
spend sitting
Yes.
for more hours, but we need to have some specific times as per our shift timings. We need to dedicate ourselves, and when we are doing work, just do the work. Okay.
Yes.
We have a lot
Exactly.
of personal activities as well, but we need to separate them and have dedicated time for work. And when we are doing work, we need to actually prioritize the work, list down all the activities that we need to perform on a particular day, and prioritize them and keep acting upon them, do the actions and then complete the work. And at the end of the day, you can just tag it that the work has been done. So this
Absolutely.
way, this way we can actually uh, be productive at work.
Absolutely. So well
Absolutely correct.
organizing the things, well organizing and proper time management, proper reporting
Absolutely.
methodologies, and we should not be deviated from our work schedule. So that's most important. So
Absolutely.
I've got another question about resume handling. So right now everybody, most of the people are losing the jobs and all that because of this economy. Already in US, some of the jobs are getting lost. So people are in the process of updating their CVs. So I just want to hear a few tips from you, Vinay. So what is your advice on resume handling?
Okay. See, resume is your picture, your profile, right? So you need to
Yeah.
design your resume in such a way that it reflects your capabilities, it reflects your technical and functional skills. So resume has to be prepared in a very professional way. It should not be too lengthy and should
Yes.
not be too short at the same time. So based upon your experience, include all the things that you have done in your experience on the resume, and particularly focus upon the summary part. Okay,
Yes.
summary is what generally the recruiters will look at. Okay, where while shortlisting the resume, they look at the summary, and when you are putting summary, mention that your capabilities, mention your strengths, mention all those great things, that achievements that you have done in your experience. So
Absolutely.
that is very important, to get shortlisted.
Yeah, on top of that, I want to include one more vital point that we should absolutely include in this resume handling. That is, gone are the days when when we send the resume to the company career profile and people will expect that we'll get a call back. Those days are gone, literally gone. You will not get that type of call nowadays. That was the phase where traditional job search approach used to work 5 years back. Now, in the age of automation and artificial intelligence, company has also, the recruiting manager has also articulated and there with their job search portal. Recently, I had a discussion with an Asia. He mentioned that nowadays that process is completely automated. They use advanced recruiting management tool that is written in artificial intelligence and all. So there no human being comes and scrutinize the resume. Some bot is there. He understands what the job description is and what are the things, key points is written in your resumes. He only captures the keyword. For example, if you are a UI developer, web developer, it will understand if there is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular, those type of words are mentioned, and along with that, how
Mentioned.
many experience you have. Those things that will understand. Then only it will rectify it and send it to the HR. In person, it will come after the first level of verification. So if you are not creating your resume in such a great way, believe me, you are losing your opportunity. So from here, you are going to lose your great opportunities. So you need to understand that. Okay, that's
Right.
absolutely you should include.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Vinay, are you there? Okay, great.
Yes, yes, and
Yeah, so very great points, guys. So I would just like to give some tips from my point of view. So basically,
sure, sure.
resume has to be properly documented. We should be, lot many people don't even check for proper sentence correction. That spelling mistakes, all those things. And before the interview, they don't even have a proper command over their own resume, because when the interviewer actually sees the CV and asks for any kind of technical keywords, they will not be able to answer. So first, they should have complete control about their own CV. They should have, the knowledge. What are the points that they're mentioning in the CV? That knowledge should be
Correct.
reflecting in the interview. So that matters a
Correct.
lot. And also achievements, strengths, all those things should be mentioning, right? Achievements, certifications, So that matters a lot. In fact,
Absolutely, absolutely.
resume preparation itself is one big session. So this is just the
Hmm.
basic tips, and these
Yeah.
things
Correct.
people are actually missing, right? So we
Absolutely.
have to take care of all those things. Anything you'd like to add, Vinay?
Yes, in order to get shortlisted, we
Yeah,
need to have more weightage on the resume. Particularly when we have done some online certifications pertaining to our skill set, it would add value, and there are high chances of getting shortlisted.
right.
And
Yeah.
Absolutely.
yeah, and constantly updating your CV on the LinkedIn portal, which is a professional portal
Yeah.
where lot of
Yeah.
professionals are enrolled members there. So there are chances that they look at your CV, they look at your profile, and being active on that social media platform, particularly LinkedIn, will actually fetch more opportunities for yourself.
Right. Absolutely.
Absolutely. And again,
Absolutely.
as you mentioned about the updating the CV, right? So
Hmm.
there is a software called Zapier, Zapier, you can note it down, guys. So
Yeah,
Hmm.
using that Zapier automation tool, you can automate your LinkedIn, Naukri, all the job search engine currently we have. Every day it will go and automatically update your summary and all with the way you will design from the backend. So it will help you to create a massive ace from the other people who are updating manually, but you can update it with the help of automation. And on top of that, you can also include your video resume. Okay, that because your video presence matters. If you can create your hero introduction inside your video resume and tell everyone that this is the value you are going to create, and like that way you are going to work in that organization because of the value that you are going to create, that will create a massive base. Create your video resume right now.
Amazing, amazing, amazing.
absolutely
In fact, that's
valuable point.
2020 model. So video resumes
Yeah,
is 2020 model. Maybe we can discuss later on this part
yeah,
because
yeah, yeah,
that's very time consuming, all that topics.
yeah, yeah. We'll discuss later.
So let's discuss about, I mean, Vina, you're offering the SQL mastery, right? So why don't you discuss about your course details? I mean, what's your objective of, launching that course?
Yes, yes. So, leveraging my 12 years of experience in Oracle applications, I just came up with one program, SQL Mastery, which
Hmm.
will give, it's basically a database program. Basically, gives a lot of insights on how a database should be and what kind of databases exist. So, if you take any kind of web application or any standalone application, it requires some data. So, every company will have some data, right? So
Yeah,
that data has to be stored at a particular place and it has to be interacted properly and it
right,
has to be maintained properly.
right,
So for that purpose, we use a language called SQL to interact with the database. So
right,
it is very important for anybody, any aspiring software professional or any software engineer or any engineering student to get into this course because that will help them to have awareness on what exactly happens in a software industry or
yes,
what kind of clients they work for and what kind of data they deal with. So this program actually enables them to uh, have that awareness, particularly
awareness.
that skill set. Having such a skill set is always advantageous to get shortlisted for the interview. And not only that, apart from that, we provide great insights on the interview preparation, job assistance, and the complete guidance and mentorship. So once they enroll to this program, they'll get a lot of things, the advanced courses, and as well as they get 100% job assistance. So that is what is so important,
Great.
right?
Right, absolutely, absolutely. So, guys, let's discuss about Argya side. So, Argya, you also launched the Job Search Mastery, right? So,
Yeah.
how Job Search Mastery would be enabling for all the upcoming, graduates who are looking for the jobs, or how you are planning to, provide the value in their life actually
Yeah.
through your services.
Yeah. Yeah. So recently, what I have realized is that there are lots of college students as well as the corporate engineers who are not able to articulate themselves, not able to create a massive edge because they have their skill set. Because whenever you have your brain, you believe that we have your skill set. It is your own product, okay. But channelizing your brain in the right directions, creating the best product of your own self is the key. Okay. I have seen that many of the people are not able to get their dream job because of not able to articulate those things. They still believe in the traditional job search approach, which unfortunately don't work nowadays. You need to believe in this 2020, the modern job search approach and the steps. Just like the sales funnel, you also need to create your job search funnel. And if
Right.
you put yourself inside the top of the funnel, automatically you will come with the automation and the logic, and you can create your money. That is the offer or the delivery that you are going to create. Okay, this entire thing we are explaining to the organizations people at the college students. Okay, and by step we do have lots of activities, and it will be a thrilling experience. Believe me, when you'll come and join this, you can actually experience the valuable skill sets that you have. You are simply missing out lots of things that you can absolutely do right now. Okay, so we are introducing the job search mastery for all of the action takers who really want to create an edge and want to get hired faster, and don't want to be a cubicle monkey for 9 hours sitting in the office for 9 to 5, and you can create a massive edge for all of the guys. That's the introduction of the job search mastery.
Amazing,
Wow,
amazing.
super.
That's great. In fact, I've seen the contents as well. I think it's very unique. It's not like any traditional kind of employability courses that we have in the market. So, job search mastery, I've seen it. I think you are going in a very good track. To be frank with you,
Thank
yeah,
you
because
so much.
you
Thank you so
recently
much.
launched your course, right? So I've gone through your course
Yeah,
contents. So, if you can display about, just an overview about it. I mean, what exactly
yeah,
that you're offering? I know you have explained about the objective. Maybe if you can
yeah.
explain more about the contents, what are the contents or deliverables that you're planning to offer?
Yeah. So content means you will start creating your glowing hero introduction ready with the activity channels. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Just like, for example, if you have done some certain work, but if you cannot articulate it, it won't help, right? So create your distinct accomplishment story with 3 points: start, beginning, and end, from where you can arm yourself with data and you can create a massive edge over there. That's something really important because we are here to create a lasting impression, not the last impression, right? And secondly, how can you create a connection? You might be watching us live, but if we cannot create a connection with you guys, you will never listen us. You'll switch the tab and go to some other tab and see something else. But if we can create a connection, if Satish, Binoy, and I can create a connection with you right now, you will always watch us live every time. So connection, if I convey something, you will be convinced. So that's 3C formula. How connection can
Wow.
help you to convey with the audience. Okay, so how can you create the connection with the interviewer? Or it might be your next job, next rise, next appraisals, or it might be something really massive things you are waiting.
Yes,
How can you arm yourself with the data? There are many more things with many more amazing activities. Just join this. We all will help you. It is your time to come and take the actions. We are always there with you.
absolutely. So this is the time as well. In fact, people who are looking for the new jobs, so they can enroll into your course, so and can get good value out of it, right? So Vinay, what about
Yeah.
the SPL mastery? So in terms of contents, what is that you're adding? Is that just the basic kind of overview that you're providing, or you are providing, in terms of live sessions and workshops and all that? So how you're launching your product?
Yeah, particularly, yeah, it will be a kind of beginner to expert level. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so so primarily for engineering students who wants to pursue software as their career, that will help them. So once they join this course, they'll have the live sessions, weekly live sessions, uh, where we explain the technical skills as well as the interview handling skills. Okay, and apart from that, we train on the business scenarios as well, live real-time business scenarios,
Awesome.
how this particular skill is going to help them, okay, in
Yeah,
their business and their everyday walk of life. So such kind of real-time scenarios will be trained, and um, and lot of insights will be given pertaining to the real-time environment, software environment, regarding
Great,
the,
great.
the software products, software applications, software support activities that we do. All these things will be explained.
Yeah,
exactly.
So
great.
yeah, so the
So
uniqueness of this is basically it's a comprehensive training program. Okay, it's a comprehensive training program where we train on the technicalities as well as the business scenarios.
superb,
Yeah.
superb.
Superb,
Thank
superb.
you so much.
Satish,
Mike.
so recently I have seen that you have also launched that IELTS Mastery. There are many students who are really having some phobia about English speaking. Not only that, when it comes about
Correct.
abroad, they still
Yeah,
do have the phobia because they don't have the right knowledge and the guidance and the mentorships. So
yeah,
why don't you elaborate them about that
sure, definitely.
IELTS Mastery that got a super success?
So basically, I was concentrating on to this, staffing and recruitment towards Australia as well as US. So that is my primary business. So what I have actually seen here in Australia, a lot many people are coming to Australia to learn the English language, right? So
Okay.
not and also for the people who want to work, study in the universities to get a student visa or for the immigration, they have to basically write the IELTS examination and they have to get band score of 7, right? In each module
Correct.
7. So which
Correct.
even sometimes it's basically a psychometric test, a course of tactics and strategy. So along with that, I have added the business communication module as well. So I'll be giving all these 4 modules. It will be a combination of e-learning, the live sessions, as well as some downloadable resources, and all together it's a 45 days course. And in fact, access and everything will be given for the period of 6 months to 9 months. So it's a very comprehensive course, I would say. So where in which I'm giving the one-on-one coaching as well for all the IELTS test takers. So in that way, I'm providing the value because
Yeah.
I believe in providing the value. So in terms of I'm creating that some bandwidth for my academy, and I have started providing the services. So it's going
That's
Yeah,
live
great.
right
exactly.
now.
Correct.
We just
That's
Yeah, I've
recently
great.
seen the
launched.
reviews, and at the same time, I have also seen the contents, also some of the content. It's not, guys who are really watching right now, let me tell you, it's not something simple IELTS mastery course that you will go and learn. Rather than that, you will learn a lot of things, lot of insights from the Satish, and that will help you to create a massive base, not only in the IELTS, your English phobia will be gone. You'll be becoming a great public speaker as well. Not only abroad, you will dominate over there also. That dominating skill also you can
Thank
create.
you so much. Thank you so much for the great work.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah. So I'm very sorry for first of all, guys, for connecting late. In fact, I was supposed to give some instructions at the start of the session. Just that I jumped in into the call, just because we have promised to the viewers that we'll be coming on live by 11 o'clock. So in fact, I have to go back to at work again. So thank you so
Okay.
much for both of you for joining and having a quick discussion. In fact, I made you guys to talk a lot because
Yeah.
I haven't come prepared, to be frank with you. So whatever it is there in
That's
the mind, I just spoke about it. All right.
Yeah. Thank
yeah.
you
You
so much,
spoke
Satish.
really.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so
So just
much.
2 minutes to connect back to that
Yeah.
call. So bye for now.
Yeah. Yeah.
All the best.
Yeah.
Sure.
Good
Thank
Sure.
luck
you.
to you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks for the
Thank you,
opportunity.
Vinay. Thank you, Satish. We'll again
Thank
connect
you,
later. Thank you
Agya.
so much.
Thank you.
Bye
Yeah.
bye.
Thank you.